Here are steps for add products services on your website for listing in the marketplace on tool44.com. 1. Sign up or log into your account on tool44.com. 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Sell tab in the left side menu and click on it. 3. Inside the Sell tab, select the Product Services List option from the left side menu and click on it. 4. You will be directed to a page where you can view all your existing product services. You can search and apply filters to refine the list. 5. In each product service listing, you will find a button labeled Add to Website at the bottom. Click on this button. 6. A pop-up window will appear in the center of the screen. 7. If you are adding a product, select one of your listed websites from the options provided. This is the website where you want to list the product. Enter the quantity of products you want to list. Once you have selected the website and entered the quantity, click on the Add button. 8. If you are adding a service, select one of your listed websites from the options provided. This is the website where you want to list the service. Click on the Add button. Your product service will now be added to your website for listing in the marketplace. Please note that in order to list product services on your website, you must have already added or created a website on tool44.com. That's it. You have now learned how to list product services on your website for listing in the marketplace on Tool44. This will help or showcase your offerings and attract potential buyers through your own website.